Hello sisters, let's learn how to thread a bobbin on an industrial direct drive sewing machine. And on this thread holder, you would notice two holes here. Note that the one on the left is for threading the upper part of the machine, and then the one on the right is for threading the bobbin. First of all, you need to ensure that you put the thread on the spindle holder, and then pick the tip of the thread that way and pass it through the back of this hole. So you're passing the thread from back forward. You want to pass it, and then you pull the thread through that hole. Okay, so once you get here, you would pass the thread from down up that way, pick it up, and then round the tension disc, ensuring it goes into the tension disc. Okay, good. Then through this hole from top down. You pull it. The next thing is to get your bobbin and place it on the bobbin holder right there. Then you pick your thread and go round the bobbin, 1, 2, in a clockwise direction. Next, push this bobbin holder in place, okay, to hold down the bobbin, and then you can put on your sewing machine. Hello friends, I guess you didn't know this, but this is a blade that helps you to cut the thread of your bobbin when you're done reeling it. So let's give it a trial. Just simply pick this thread. Once you're done reeling, pass it through this blade and take it this way. Ta-da! You are done. That's the blade over there.